Good day everyone. So today I'm going to be unboxing my personal Wi-Fi hotspot from IVideo. So the reason I have this is when I travel I need to be connected to the internet. Whether it's allowing me to stay connected with my family, check the weather, be able to book certain reservations online, it's very important to have Wi-Fi on my travels. And you can't always count on finding another location that has Wi-Fi, such as a store or a fast food place or just a Wi-Fi hotspot in town. Because especially if you're not traveling within the cities, which I happen to do a lot of. So today I'm going to be unboxing my personal Wi-Fi hotspot, and we're going to check it out together and see exactly what this product offers. Okay, so it came to me like this. So we're going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so it comes with this traveling case. It's from Happy Travels. And so what we're going to do is we're going to open it up here. So right on this tag, it shows that it pairs with Canada Rogers, which is a 4G LTE Wi-Fi. And it's 1,500 megabytes per day use. It comes with this is the actual Myfi box. It's got the key on the back, and then all the information I just told you, Rogers 1500. It comes with a charger. It says, please shut down your pocket Wi-Fi when charging to prevent battery damage from overheating. Okay. And finally, we have instructions on how to return this. So one beautiful thing about IVideo is once you order this product online, they send you a shipping notice so that all you have to do is drop it off in the mail when you're done. It's already prepaid, you don't have to worry about buying stamps or postage to send it back. So that is super, super handy. So I have that right here, and it also comes with an instructional guide on how to set this up. So we will go ahead and use that now. Okay, so this section of the video I want to do an actual test of the product. So this is something that you can take anywhere. So right now I'm at my work, and in this particular spot there is no Wi-Fi connection, so any internet that I'm going to be able to get is going to be through this Myfi hotspot. So let's set it up and see how it works. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my laptop, I'm going to try and load my YouTube page using the IVideo Wi-Fi hotspot. So to begin, we're going to open it up. And all I need is this unit right here. So at the very top, there is a power button. I'm just going to hold that down for 5 seconds. And I'll let this do its thing. So as you can see, there's buttons here, 2G, 3G, LTE, Wi-Fi, and the power button, how much power it has. So as you can see, the blue means that there is 90% or more, and you can tell that, let me focus this here for you, that I am getting LTE, so the internet connection should be nice and fast. Okay, so as you can see, this is my unit here, and this information is written on the back of the Wi-Fi, so you don't have to wonder which one it is. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I'm going to connect. Alright, so it shows that it's connected. So now it's connected, we're just going to refresh this page, make sure that we have internet connection, and man, it looks good. Alright. So there we go. So now I can access my internet anywhere I need. So I want to thank everyone for watching. I'm really excited to use this product from IVideo, and I hope that you guys liked the video. If you did, just leave a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this and other travel videos, just subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, thank you so much. See you next time.